Aakansha. So first of all, a very happy Diwali. Hope you guys are having lots of fun. So in this occasion of Diwali, here's a quick and easy sweet recipe, or should I say a mishti recipe for you. This is a Bengali sweet. So my dad is going to make this. It's called Pitha, and to be precise, it's called Patishapta Pitha. It's going to be very easy and super delicious. So let's start. फर्स्ट नारियल को बीच में से ऐसे काट लेंगे, देन इसे छीलना है लाइक दिस, एंड आफ्टर दिस इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. Now we will have to grind this properly in the mixer. Then it will look like this. So pitha has a filling inside. So हम यहाँ पे फिलिंग के लिए 3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ करने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट नारियल जो हमने जस्ट अभी ग्राइंड किया है, सेकेंड गुड़, एंड थर्ड हल्का सा चीनी, नॉर्मल शुगर जो हम यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ फॉर द बैटर वी विल यूज़ मैदा, सूजी एंड वाटर इन इट. Then mix it properly until it have a proper consistency like this. Then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are done with the preparation. Let's start cooking. Add oil in the pan. Now put the batter on the pan like this. After the bottom part is cooked for some time, add the filling on the top. You can add gur with nariyal or chini, whatever you prefer. We don't like to make it too much sweet, so we are adding a little filling. You can add it according to your taste. Now fold it like this and it's ready. So yeah guys, this was all for this video. First of all, comment down below if you want more recipes from my dad. He is a wonderful cook. You can follow him on Instagram. He shares his recipes sometimes there also. I will leave his handle in the description below and in the screen. Subscribe to my channel for more such video. Give this video a like if you like it. And again, a very happy Diwali. And I will see you next week. Till then, take care. Be safe. Bye.